What's the meaning of bushwhack? Bushwhack. Bushwhack.
Bushwhack. Bushwhack. The term bushwhack refers to the act of traveling or fighting in dense woods or jungles, often by cutting a path through the vegetation. The result of bushwhacking can be a challenging and arduous journey, with obstacles such as fallen trees, thick underbrush, and steep terrain making progress difficult. In a military context, bushwhacking can involve guerrilla warfare tactics, such as surprise attacks and ambushes. Overall, bushwhacking requires perseverance, skill, and a willingness to navigate difficult terrain in pursuit of a goal.